You searched how to buy shares of Exela Technologies Inc. XELA provides business process automation and digital workflow services and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker XELA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering on eToro, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker XELA to find Exela Technologies Inc. Confirm you select the NASDAQ listed result to ensure it's the correct company. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Double-check that the company name and ticker XELA match to confirm you're on the right stock page. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will wait to execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.